Right, hi guys, so today I am going to talk about the AK20 battery in particular. So STIHL have a range of battery gear. There's kind of three tiers. There's the, now let's see if I get this right, I think it's the AP, which is the introductory kind of hormone and kind of level. The AK, which is the mid-range, which I use specifically the AK20 battery, and we'll get onto batteries in the AK range in a sec. And there's the, so I think it's the AS, the AK that I've got, and the AP. I'll put it on the screen if I'm wrong. So the AP, I believe, if that's the correct one, it's useless so far. That's the professional range, and really that's what I should have. But I'll get into why I haven't yet in a sec. So the AK range, I started off with the STIHL AK20 hedge trimmer. And there's three batteries in the AK range. So there's the AK10, the AK20 and the AK30. I've only used the AK20. From what I read, I wouldn't bother with the AK10s. I wouldn't say a waste of time, but you don't get much battery life really. If you're just kind of using them in your own garden, then yes, maybe, save yourself a few quid. The AK30, I've never used the AK30, but I've definitely used the AK20. I've used the AK20 for about 3 years now, and we'll get onto this in a minute, but the AK30 I believe would be overkill, even running a business. So I've used predominantly the hedge trimmer with the AK20, and I'll get my biggest hedge up on the screen now, just to give you an example of the battery life on it. So usually I can cut this hedge on one battery, one full charge. I think twice maybe when it's been long. I'll tap into a little bit of the second battery. Now these are quick charge batteries as well, so they charge really quick, and then more importantly they kind of stop charging when they're fully charged. They kind of switch themselves off, so you can, I never do it, but you could in theory do it overnight. I wouldn't probably recommend that, but that's the idea, that they shut down when they've charged completely. I recently bought the, I'm going to have to put the model number on the screen because I cannot remember, this Strimmer. So usually with my Strimmer I use the combi, petrol combi. I use that every day without fail, and I didn't have a spare. Now I knew the day would come when I'd become unstuck and kind of get myself into a little bit of trouble when something happened to the combi, and that's what happened a few weeks back. So the fuel tank had a leak. Tried to order one. Well, this is going back probably about 5 or 6 weeks now actually, because I had to wait a month to get a new fuel tank. So I tried to patch it up, and it worked, but then it got worse and worse, and I had to buy a Strimmer quite quickly. So the Strimmer that I went for, Screwfix actually sold them, and crucially it meant I could get it the next day. In an ideal world I would have kind of planned a little bit better and got a better, a better Strimmer rather, because you can use these batteries with quite decent Strimmers. Now the one I got was kind of at the lower end of the scale, and as I say, I got it just to kind of see us through really, because Screwfix did it and I could get one the next day. And to be honest, it did the job, but after using a petrol Strimmer, the combi, it felt like I was using a toy, to be brutally honest. But it's my spare now, and I'll probably end up selling it to fund kind of a better one. I may end up selling the whole set, kind of the hedge trimmer and the Strimmer and the batteries and the charger, and then potentially upgrade to the AP, the professional grade one. That's what I'm after. I'm after a combi, battery combi, because you can use the same attachments as my petrol one. So to summarise, if you're a homeowner and you've got a decent sized garden, and you're not used to, or you're not familiar with kind of big, petrol gear machinery type thing, the AK20 battery would be more than suitable. It's got a wide range of gear as well. I've only used the Strimmer and the hedge trimmer. There's loads of different types of tools you can get. I'd definitely go for the AK20. I wouldn't bother with the AK10. If you're getting a more high-end, say a Strimmer for example, on the AK range, you might want to consider the AK30 because it would drain this a little bit quicker. But from my experience on using this, and especially if you've got 2 batteries, in my opinion that's more than enough. So, you know, you can imagine I run a garden business and I've used this battery lots of times, especially when I've had this other Strimmer, and I've got through a full day of Strimmer gardens on one battery, you know what I mean? So it's perfectly adequate and it'll do the job, no bother at all. So I hope you found this video useful. Check out the channel if you're new here, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.